In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print files from Bluebeam efficiently and seamlessly. Let's dive in and make sure we have everything ready for smooth operation. First things first, you'll want to go to Bluebeam Cloud. This is where all the magic happens. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Bluebeam Cloud if you haven't already bookmarked it. Once you're on their landing page, select the option to sign in. You'll notice Bluebeam's intuitive interface making this step straightforward. Now let's go ahead and type in your email address. Double check your email, as this is crucial to access your projects. After entering your email accurately, click on the Next button. This will guide you smoothly onto the next login step, where we enhance security with your password entry. Speaking of passwords, it's time to type it in. Make sure you're using a secure password, possibly one you've saved in a password manager for ease and security. Once ready, click on the Sign In button. It's typical to experience slight delays depending on your internet connection, but rest assured you'll be logged in shortly. Now that we're successfully inside Bluebeam Cloud, navigate towards Studio Sessions. This is essentially your project hub, where all active sessions and documents are stored. Click on this to get an overview of what's on your digital workspace. From your list of studio sessions, it's time to open your project. Remember the project's name or its identifier to locate it quickly. Once opened, familiarize yourself with your project's details one last time to ensure everything appears just as you expect. Now here comes the key part, downloading your project as a PDF ready for printing. You'll see a download button. Clicking this will start the download of your project in a PDF format. This format is universally compatible with most printing services, keeping details intact and maintaining layout fidelity. While your document downloads, ensure you have a PDF reader installed on your device. Adobe Acrobat or similar programs will work smoothly for you to review your document in detail before heading to print. It's always a great idea to do a quick quality check on the document format and ensure everything is included as per your original blueprint or document requirements. Once downloaded, open it to confirm every sheet, detail, and annotation is in place before sending it off to print. This step helps avoid unnecessary reprints or missed details that could delay your project timeline. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on printing files from Bluebeam. By following these steps, you'll ensure a seamless transition from digital workspace to physical copies, ready for any project needs. Thanks for watching. Happy printing.